fibroids.
Para.
Ako kayong fibroids.
Sabi ni Raja, madali lang daw itong ginagawa niya. Tingnan mo, iniwan niya.
See, fibroids really big. One part of the fibroids is too much. One patient. One patient is saying his patient's collapse. I will see. Her name. Kazna Aldria, 35 years old, female, Saudi, Dr. Elham. This is fibers. Okay. May ano circulating ko? Ha? Circulating nerves ko. Si Ate Liding.
Sumama na kayo sa akin at kakain tayo.
Si Ate Sarah ang nag-recover. May circulating nerves. This is our patient.